Boldly breaking away from the boxy norms, the 2025 Chevrolet Express Unofficial Concept arrives with a futuristic silhouette that screams innovation. Aerodynamic edges, LED blade headlamps. Welcome back to 20 car, and a floating roof design give it a sleek, spaceship-like aesthetic. A reimagined grille with dynamic airflow panels adapts based on speed, enhancing cooling and efficiency. It's not just a cargo van, it's a rolling statement of Chevrolet's future-forward thinking. Interior specifications. Inside, it's a tech sanctuary. A panoramic windshield wraps into an augmented reality heads-up display. The cockpit-style dashboard includes a 15-inch haptic touchscreen and voice-responsive AI co-pilot. Modular seating folds into the floor, allowing rapid conversion between cargo, passenger, and executive lounge configurations. Even the cup holders are smart, they adapt temperature to your drink. Technical specifications. Powered by GM's Ultium electric platform, the Express Concept boasts a dual-motor AWD setup delivering 550 horsepower and 700 Nm torque. Paired with a 4-speed torque vectoring transmission, it features regenerative braking and a thermal smart battery preconditioning system for optimized range in all climates. Performance. Accelerating from 0 to 100 km height in just 4.8 seconds, the Express handles like a sports sedan but carries like a truck. Its 800 km range and adaptive air suspension make it as versatile on highways as it is on urban streets. Competitors. Against the Ford E-Transit and Mercedes E-Sprinter, the Express stands out with superior power, range, and customization. Price. Expected between $55,000, $70,000, it undercuts rivals while offering premium innovation. Ownership costs. Minimal maintenance, low insurance brackets, and excellent battery warranty position it as a cost-effective long-term vehicle.